Hi besties, Mila Marie, your tech princess here. It's Friday night, so you know what that means. It is sexy keyboard modding night, which is every night. Today we're going to change the keycaps on my gorgeous Aula F87. I have these adorable blue and white bear keycaps, but I really want to put my favorite keycaps, which are these MOG profile, MOG profile, pink ice cream caps from Yunzi. So let's get started. I'm going to leave these original switches on because they are just fantastic. This keyboard comes with tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth, 2.4 gigahertz dongle, and Type-C connection. Of course, it is hot swappable, as you can see, and it has a programmable driver. Here is the after sound test. It's gasket mounted, and it has an amazing 15 stunning RGB lighting effects. It's really bright. It's compact and great quality. It saves over 25% of desk space just being this size. This is such a great board. Comes beautiful right out of the box, but I love these MOG keycaps. What a great combination. Hope you all had a great Friday night as well.